My name is James Robson. I'm a co-founding partner of Glass Robson here in Atlanta. Been in practice for just under 15 years, and of that, the majority has been spent representing plaintiffs and their families in wrongful death cases and serious catastrophic injury cases. I was hired by Jennifer to pursue a wrongful death case on behalf of herself and her family for the death of her husband, Dwayne, who was tragically killed in a tractor-trailer collision on March of 2019. And as he's on his way home, a tractor-trailer pulled out in front of him, not leaving him enough time to avoid a collision. Unfortunately, the tractor-trailer was blocking all southbound lanes of travel. Because of the truck driver's negligence, Dwayne had nowhere to go and had an underride with the trailer. Some of the initial challenges in the case that we faced were the lack of a client who was able to advocate for himself. Dwayne, unfortunately, was killed in this wreck. And so his side of the story wasn't something that we'd be able to tell through Dwayne. And so what we needed to establish was what exactly was going through Dwayne's mind and what types of actions and evasive actions had Dwayne taken in the moments leading up to the collision with the tractor trailer. And so unfortunately, because Dwayne couldn't tell us those things, we had to rely heavily on experts and animations to help tell Dwayne's story. What we did originally was we had an animation created, and again, this was a collaborative effort between the DK Global animators, me, and then our accident reconstruction and other experts to put together kind of a final project showing the truck driver, his point of view as Dwayne's vehicle was approaching the intersection where the collision happened, and then the amount of time the truck driver had available to him to see Dwayne and to either not pull out or to wait and allow Dwayne to pass before he pulled out. What we wanted to show through the animation was that this truck driver had ample time and that Dwayne really had no choice but to underride the vehicle. There was nowhere for Dwayne to go because the truck driver was blocking all lanes of travel. And so what we were able to do was to use a time-limited settlement demand. We had to give the defense one opportunity to do the right thing by their client and to accept our demand. And I don't think there's any question that the amount of work that went into this case, coupled with the animation showing what a difficult case this would have been for them to defend, played a huge role in their decision to resolve the case short of trial. After a lot of work, we were fortunate to resolve the case for the $5 million of available policy limits. We presented this case to a focus group, and what was really telling about the focus group was they had an opportunity to hear the facts of the case and to see visually through pictures, static pictures, both the intersection and the scene. And initially, the focus group was very negative about our case. And at the end of the focus group, we presented the DK Global animation to them so they could just see how little time Dwayne had to see, perceive, and react to the tractor trailer. And upon seeing the animation that DK Global had prepared for us in collaboration with our experts, the mood and the opinions of every single person in that focus group did a 180.